Good morning class 6. Today we are going to complete exercises of chapter 6, how things change. So on page number 77 you can see C2 part of C exercise, which is fill in the blanks. So in first you have to fill physical, PHYSICAL, because condensation of steam is a physical change. Now in second, in chemical change the initial substance cannot be obtained back. In third, burning of paper is a chemical change. In fourth, you can see solute SOLUTE is present in a small amount in a solution. Fifth, solvent SOLVENT is present in bulk amount in a solution. Sixth, solubility of gases decreases DECREASE with increase of temperature. Now match the two columns, which is C3 part of exercise. So here color change on ripening of fruit. First, can be matched with irreversible change, which is the third number of column B. Now the second, increase in the height of a child can be matched with slow change. Third, solubility of gases can be matched with first decreases with temperature, and fourth, solubility of solids can be matched with fourth increases with temperature. Fifth, solute can be matched with second present in small amount in solution. Now you can see the C4 part, multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer for each of the following. So in first you can see which of the following is a reversible change. So B option, melting of ice cream, is the right option for the first one. In second, B, burning of paper, is the right option for choose the first change from the following. And in third, temperature is the right option for solubility depends on. And in fourth, all of these is the right option for in which of the following examples property of expansion and contraction of metals is utilized. So you all know that you have to do this work in your book, not in your copy. And here you can see some work which you have to write in your science copy. So first you have to write hard words, definitions, then fill in the blanks, and then question answer. In copy, first you have to mention today's date, classwork, number of the chapter and the name of the chapter. And you have to write then question answers. Question 1, here you can see, with the help of an experiment, explain reversible and irreversible changes. So in question 1 you have to write activity 6.4 and activity 6.7 as answer. And in a question 4, how will you show that solubility of a solute changes with change in temperature of solvent? So here you have to write activity 6.13 as answer of question 4, which you can get from your book. Now question 2, discuss physical change in water. So its answer, ice melting involves A physical change from a solid to a liquid, and the substances maintain the properties of water because the molecules never change. Water boiling is also a physical change, as water molecules vibrate faster, they enter the gas phase and become water vapor or steam. Question 3. Explain solubility. When does a solution become saturated? What happens when the temperature of a saturated solution is raised? So its answer, solubility is a measure of the number of grams of solute that will dissolve in 100 milliliter of solvent at a particular temperature. When no more solute will dissolve in the solvent, the solution of this stage is said to be saturated. If the temperature of the saturated solution is further raised, some more amount of solute can be gradually added to it at the new temperature. Now you can see, answer briefly, be part of the exercise. So here you can see question 1. What are physical change? Give example. So here answer is, the changes in which the molecules present in the substance remain the same, but the shape, size or position of the substance changes. Example, melting of ice. And the answer of second question, what is physical change? Give example. So its answer, the changes that occurs as a result of a chemical reaction between the molecules of substance and in which a new substance is formed. Example, burning of wood. And the third answer, you can see questions of these answers from your book, which is given on page number, let me see, 77. So here I am reading only answers, not questions. So answer 3, no, the change which have occurred in the cement couldn't be reversed. When sunlight falls on the wet cement, chemical changes occur, which is an irreversible process. Answer 4, two examples were expansion and contraction of metals utilized. First, making of cartwheels, and second, making of plug. Answer 5, yes, it can be reversed by unfolding the dress. Answer 6, no, the change in plaster of Paris cannot be reversed when water is added to pop, means plaster of Paris, it undergoes a chemical change. Now answer 7, sharpening of pencil is an example of irreversible change. B, evaporation of water is an example of reversible change. C, curdling of milk is an example of irreversible change. D, freezing of water is an example of reversible change. E, rusting of iron is an example of irreversible change. And the next, F, blowing a balloon is an example of reversible change. G, opening of a bird is an example of reversible change. And the last H, dropping and breaking of a plastic toy is an example of irreversible change. So students, that's all for today. Then from the next classes you have to revise your chapters from 2 to 6 for half yearly examination. So thank you class.